We actually started our cooperation with Yutong bus almost 10 years ago. We started with diesel and CNG buses, and about almost 5 years ago, actually, we introduced the first electric Yutong buses to Bulgaria. We became the first country to go through a tender for electric buses in the Balkan region, and the Yutong buses were the first batch of electric buses that were introduced to our country almost 5 years ago. These were 20 buses for the capital city of Bulgaria, Sofia. These buses have been successfully operating already for all these years, and I can say that our customer, the Sofia Auto Transportation Company, they are very, very happy with these buses.
Well, I think the new YEA electric architecture on display here is global electric vehicle leadership on display. I think for the UK market, the electric double-decker is a very, very important vehicle. That vehicle on its own will expand our market share and sales in the United Kingdom. The electric coach, which we will term the GTE 14 when it lands in the UK, is also a very valuable addition to our range of vehicles. And people are becoming increasingly confident with electric coaches.
The performance is very good, the range is very good. We use 5 on various contracts in London, and we, like I say, have just ordered a new double-decker bus. So we're very, very happy with the Yutong brand. We believe in sustainability, and we believe Yutong is at the forefront of that in the UK.
So I have a long history with Yutong, actually first as a client and then as a distributor. I have to say that the quality of Yutong is amazing. The technological advances are amazing, and every one of my clients love the Yutong buses, to be honest. Especially the latest development related to safety, battery safety, YESS system, all these Vehicle Plus telematic systems, all of them are just, cutting edge, very high technology. And it's amazing advantages Yutong can give in charging power, all these kind of things. So the technology is really on high level. The performance is the best bus I've seen. I have a long history in this market, and it's the operational reliability, how much you can run with them without any problems. It's just, I have never seen a bus like this. And also my clients stay the same. You can run crazy mileages with the bus without any problems.
It's very advanced technology, and it will help all models or range of Yutong bus to be more efficient, green and so on. So there looks very, very nice. I could say much better than other in the exhibition.